This is Tuesday 17th of March 2026 when the Irish House look later. It's St. Patrick's Day today in Ireland here, and we're at the Irish House look later. We're coming out to some horses now near the Clay Yard. Who is it?
You got Carol?
Yeah.
Hello, girl. Come on, grass. Hello, girl. You see her name, darling? There you go, girl. Come on, grass. Come on, grass, girl. Girl. Grass. Grass.
She's come back for more.
Huh?
She's come back. There you go. Yeah, hang on. Hang on. Both look at Vega. Hello.
Yeah?
Can't see it. There's a good girl. There's a good girl. Darina. That's what it's called.
She's new, is she?
Yeah. There you go. Hold the glass over that way. Zoia. Zoia.
Oh, what's her friend? This is new now.
My hat fell off, saying.
Huh?
My hat fell off. My hat fell off.
Where is it?
It's in the fucking field.
Where?
There.
Where was it? Oh, she got it. She got it. Oh, shit, are you serious? You can't get it now?
No, I can't get it, but I'm in trouble.
Huh?
Could get it, but I'm in trouble. It's very for staff. You hold up.
Could break the rule, now, you. Huh? Could break the rule, can't get in there, right?
Break the eggs on the fence. There you go, baby. Stay there.
Yes, Dick. This is Dick here. Sure.
Tell one of the staff we'll get it wrong with him.
Where's it going? Top fell in the paddock. Are you going to try? Huh?
Not here for anymore.
What are you going to do? Everybody should have like this, like me, what I'm doing. The thing is the thing was that.
Bubble.
I think it's the bubble that pulled it off.
Yeah.
Told you it was a bad idea. I told you it wasn't a good idea to have it over the woolly hat.
Oh,
Liam.
oh.
I can't be holding holding the camera like this all day,
Why
Liam.
not?
I'm filming the ground.
What?
I'm filming the fucking ground,
Film the
Liam.
horses.
Jesus, Liam, just...
Come on, quick.
Liam, I can't just hold the fucking damn camera.
Huh? Okay. Yeah. So yeah. I think so.
I'll see my friends over there. I tell the staff, will I?
Yeah, you should start telling the staff. There's no panic in it.
I'll call them and tell them that they're rid of the nurseries, or
Yeah.
what do they call it, the nurseries.
Yeah. Tiny, you don't have to ring him. Don't have to ring him. Just tell them you see
No,
him.
just whenever they're passing by, I just see a green, they literally can't sleep.
Yeah.
I'm sure there's no green, but if they're going to move past the paddock, and I see a green glistening hat, it's leave day, it's leaves.
Okay.
I haven't seen
Quickly
staff
go on.
around here for ages. Go once since I've seen any staff around here. I haven't seen Paul around or anything. Oh.
The phone's nibbling at it. Hello? The phone's nibbling at it. Phone. You better ring somebody. Go before he nibbles at it. I need somebody.
Jesus, Liam.
Go on.
Can you find that packet there? That's a stud number here.
He isn't there. New phone.
He's there. How did you
That's your recent. It's not even, yeah.
I did call them a while ago. That's tourism, isn't it? Damn.
That'll do, Timmy. That'll do. They'll tell him. That'll do.
Don't have-
Oi! There.
That's cold.
Here. I'll do.
Press it, Liam. I can't press it.
Trying. Oh, yeah.
Oh. This must have to happen. Keypad.
Your call's not recognised.
What?
One of your calls not recognised. That's what you told me.
Last admission at 4 p.m. Discounted tickets can be purchased through our website, irishnationalstud.ie. If you require any further information, please email reservations@irishnationalstud.ie.
very funny.
Hi Caroline, how's it going? Ian Daly, we're up here at the we're up here at the you know the Blanford Yard, the road for the Blanford Yard. Well, I was standing just at the sixth tree on the left. My hat fell into the field. It's a Paddy's Day hat. You know, it just blew off me. You know, and I can't get it. I can't get it there. Anyway, the folds are nibbling at it and all, you know, so don't any damage should be done, that's all I'm saying, right?
It's in the front paddock. That's
Yeah, the front board paddock.
the front board paddock. The front board.
Right towards the back there, 6th tree in the left. I can't get it. There are folds in paddock, yeah. Alright.
He's nibbling.
Store number, there's no answer.
Oh Jesus, it's all dented.
Two o'clock for you. Don't seem to be doing any damage. Not really. No, that's fine. All right, thanks a minute. All right, bye bye.
It's all
Yeah,
dented.
all right, bye bye.
It's all dented.
I know.
This is really embarrassing.
Mm-hmm.
It's fucking dented your hat. It dented my fiance's hat. Do you know that? I guess shot at that. Jesus Christ.
No.
My fiance's hat. My fiance's hat fell into the front paddock, the front board paddock, and the fold's been nibbling at it. It's got all dented now.
No.
He dented my fiance's hat. Do you know that? My poor fiance's hat. He got all dented now. Here, nearly. No, that. My poor fiance's hat's all dented. You dented my fiance's hat. Yes. That's my fiance's hat that you're only that you're nibbling now. Yeah, my poor fiance's hat. That's my fiance's hat that you're nibbling now. Yes, it is. I gave that hat as a present yesterday, and they're eating now. They're nibbling out my fiance's hat. Fell into the paddock. Yeah. I think he thinks it's grass. I don't think he thinks the hat is grass because it's green.
No, he doesn't. He sure isn't. I'm sure he doesn't.
It's green.
There we are. Look, the member of the stud farmer coming over. The crowd to bring in the horses.
Oh, I tell him.
Yeah.
Will you stay there?
Over here, yeah.